Here's your first word in Italian. Buono. Buono. It means good. Buono. And here's your second word. È. È. It means it is. È. So, how would you say in Italian, it is good? È buono. È buono. So, è means it is, and you might be wondering what that little line is on top of the E. It's called an accent, but don't worry about it for the time being. We'll look at it in detail in a later lesson. Just remember that when you write it is in Italian, it's the letter E with an accent on top. È. Now you'll start to notice similarities between Italian and English words. For example, fantastico. Fantastico means fantastic. Fantastico. So how would you say it is fantastic? È fantastico. È fantastico. Here's another word that looks very similar to the English. Assolutamente. Assolutamente. It means absolutely. Assolutamente. So in English it's ABS. In Italian it's ASS. And when you see a double letter in Italian like this, you do have to emphasize it a little bit more. So it's assolutamente. Assolutamente. How would you say then, it is absolutely fantastic? È assolutamente fantastico. È assolutamente fantastico. So far we've had buono, meaning good, è, which means it is, fantastico means fantastic, and assolutamente means absolutely. Here's a cute little word in Italian, qui. Qui. It means here. Qui. So how would you say it is here? È qui. È qui. It is good here. È buono qui. È buono qui. It is fantastic here. È fantastico qui. È fantastico qui.